Welcome back to Quarantine Science with Mr. Nichols. Today we're going to be learning about density. In order to understand density, we must first understand volume and mass. Volume is how much space something takes up. So for example, this pillow and this box. The box is very compact. And the pillow, it's bigger and it takes up more space. Now to mass. Mass is the amount of matter in a substance. However, mass is slightly different than weight. Weight is a force and it is affected by gravity. An object would weigh less on the moon than on Earth because there's less gravity there. Now to density. Density is how compact an object is. The density of an object is determined by two things: the mass of an object and its volume. The formula for it is mass divided by volume. For today's experiment, you're going to need water, oil, Alka-Seltzer, food coloring, a funnel, and then a clean plastic bottle. Just take your bottle and a funnel and fill your bottle about halfway full with water. Alright, now that we have our water, you want to fill your bottle the rest of the way with oil. I'm not going to go the rest of the way though, because that's a waste of oil, so I'm going to go just about right here. And I'm going to let that drain out. And what you want to do is you want to let this sit for a few minutes, because now what has to happen is that oil and that water has to separate. Now that we have the water on the bottom and the oil on the top, what we're going to do is add some food coloring. And this is a brand new pack, so let me open that up. And like always, I'm going to try to choose a cool color, and I usually pick blue. So what you're going to do is dab a few of these in there. Now what you can see is all those food coloring drops, they went to the bottom. And what we can do now is, let's see what happens when we add our Alka-Seltzer. So, it says to add just a half. And I'm going to take this half and I'm going to break it up. And we're going to drop it. And let's see what happens. Now how does it work? The oil floats on top of the water because it's less dense or lighter than the water. The food coloring has the same density as the water, so it sinks through the oil and mixes with the water. When you add the tablet, it sinks to the bottom and starts to dissolve. As it dissolves, it makes a gas called carbon dioxide. We talked about that last week. Gas or air is lighter than water, so it floats to the top. And it does it over and over again till the tablet is all dissolved. As always, please take videos and pictures of your child doing the experiment. I have included an assignment to go along with this, and if you send me your pictures or videos, I will feature your child in one of my next videos. Thank you.